little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to draw something tall and helpful today? That's right, we're drawing a colorful ladder. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's draw two straight vertical bars side by side. These will be the sides of our ladder. Now, draw a small circle at the top of each bar. These are the rounded tops of our ladder. Next, draw 4 horizontal bars across. These are the steps where we climb up.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome job! Now let's draw another ladder behind the first one to give it support. This will make it look like a real step ladder. Wow! You are doing so great! Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now comes the most exciting part, coloring. Let's use our rainbow color pens. Say the color names with me. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! It looks amazing! Great job, little artist! Your ladder looks super colorful and cool! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings! See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!